in another place, and they put on hard drive with 60 gigabyte, if you can imagine that, and of course it has some 10,000 hour of function, and besides that it has some beds, I think 305 beds, and besides that, because it's a very old model, it's running very low with Windows 10, of course, and I have to change it. 40 gigabyte. It's on kind of low performance SSD, but it's a new one, and for this customer it's enough. This is an E5 5th generation CPU, so with 4 gigabyte of RAM, and it's enough for him. It's a regular custom, but not gaming, only browsing Facebook and so on. In here, of course, we have one screw missing. We cannot open from this side because we have to open like this and slide in this part, so we need to take out from this part. Okay. And slide into the right, and of course I forgot, it has fan wire, screw to screw from fan. Now let's take out the and you see in this model, let's take out this